So with the pharmacy program, so it is a 4-year program. So with applied honors. So this is, different from, your normal pharmacy program. So with our pharmacy program, we focus a lot more on that, practical learning outcomes. So it is very, focus on work placement, because ultimately we want you to, not just finish a degree, but we want you to, finish a degree with practical experience. And because of our sort of, the way we deliver this program, with a very, practical learning focus, what it means is that when you finish your degree, you are actually, you can put your work placement experience in your resume. So which makes, our graduates are, really highly sought after by employers. So based on the recent survey, which is from the Good University Guide, our students, 100% employment after they have finished their study, within 4 months. And our graduates actually earned a higher median salary. So in Australia, the median, salary for a pharmacy students, you are looking at $43,800 Aussie dollars. But our students, they are earning about 50,900 Aussie dollars. And the data is actually based from CUTE. So CUTE is actually a government survey. So it is funded by the Australian Government Department of Education, Skills and Employment. So basically, students will actually, give their feedback on their student experience and graduate outcomes. So UTas is really proud of their pharmacy program. And as you know, because Tasmania is located in the regional area, so there's always a strong demand for pharmacies. And this is a student. This student, Chikai came from Malaysia. Chikai, I'm sorry. So Chikai came from Malaysia. So I just wanted, to share his story with you.
My name is Tiong Chikai. I'm studying in Bachelor of Pharmacy. So I've chosen UTas for credit transfer because they have more emphasis on clinical practice, which I sort of love clinical practice because you apply your knowledge more. For a pharmacy point of view, if you are just studying the theory part of it, it's kind of hard for us to actually remember everything. And when you go out to placements and to go to a real practice, you face a real case, real patient, real pharmacist, and you apply knowledge and you remember for your whole life. Last year I've completed my placement in hospital, which is in Burnie, Northwest Regional of Tasmania. So that's a very lovely hospital because they have a very good environment for you to learn and you get more time to get a hands-on experience of everything. My preceptor have more time to guide you, and they will sit there and then they will guide you through everything. And because it's a very nice place, you can sometimes go for vacations. If you are studying in IMU and planning to go for credit transfer, UTas will be a good choice. You have more chance to go out and have a longer duration of clinical placement to sort of apply your knowledge. And in uni, you have friends from different countries and you can sort of learn their different cultures. The lecturers are very helpful consistently for us and they are very kind, very dedicated. They always reply our email very fast, and also you can have appointment with them. They can come down to you and sort of solve your problem. Yeah, so when you come here, I know that this is a small class, it's very nice. And the lecturers really remembers your name.
So that's pharmacy in general. So this is just a map or a student journey to show that, with our pathway college, entry is through the foundation studies program. So you can, after Form 5 or after your HKDSE, you can come through this program, and that will allow you to progress into the pharmacy with UTas. And one thing that we also look at, increasingly, so because I was an international student myself before, in the past many years, fees was relatively, quite affordable. So as we know that, international education, at the moment can be quite, expensive. So we want to make sure that students, invest in affordable education tuition fees and have that outstanding graduate outcomes. So comparing with our programs with other state or university in Australia, you can see that our total tuition fees with our pharmacy program is still really affordable. And comparing again with the post-study work visa outcome. So as you can see, if you go to populous or major cities in Melbourne and Brisbane, you would only be eligible for 2 years. But if you come to UTAS and study at Tasmania, you are eligible for 3 years.